Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you quickly login in on Shopify store on your phone and your tablet, so you can start building your online business. First you can go to the URL of your website and add /admin to the end. If you haven't logged into your store using this device or browser, and ask to enter an email. To log in with, remember to enter the email you signed up for your Shopify store with. In the beginning, then click continue with email. Enter your password and click login. If you have two-step authentication set up, you might need to enter a code for extra security. This code will be sent to your phone, depending on what you initially chose as your second step. Choose your account and just like that, you'll be logged into your Shopify admin. You can also log into your store by going to shopify.com. Click login in the top right corner. You'll be taken to the same prompt screen as before, where you'll be asked to enter your email. Then type in your password. Again, you might be prompted to enter a code. For extra security, remember, this will be either sent to your phone or sent to your email, depending on what you initially chose. As your second security step, you'll be given a list of stores that you've opened. Under the email address you entered, you'll have some stores listed under active, while others might be under inactive. Inactive stores are ones that you would have opened at one time, but now they don't have a subscription plan. If the store you're looking for is listed under inactive, you'll have to pick a plan to reopen it. If the store you're looking for is not on the active, it might be under another email address. To check another email account, click on the drop-down to the right of the Shopify logo. Then click Switch Account. Then click Add Account. You'll be taken back and asked to enter a different email and password. Try another email address. Once it downloaded on your device, open it, then click Login. Enter the email address associated with your store, and then enter your password. Just like on your desktop, enter your security code. If you have two-step authentication set up, just like when you log in using your computer, you'll see a list of active and inactive stores. You'll see a list of active and inactive stores connected with the email address that you entered. Select the store you want to enter, and with a few quick steps, you're logged into your store through the app. And that's it. You're now logged into your Shopify store and ready to start building your online business. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching. Now go make those sales.